Science-based fat burning and core workout, complete guide. This routine replaces traditional HIIT and crunches with a science-backed approach using unilateral exercises, training each side differently and varied movement speeds to maximize fat burn and core strength. Begin by committing to train for days per week with at least one full rest day, optionally adding 20-minute easy cardio sessions on off days. During weeks 3, 5, and 7, progressively add 5 pounds to the final 2 sets. Start each workout with a 3-minute warm-up. Perform jumping jacks for 1 minute, followed by bodyweight reverse lunges for 1 minute, then plank shoulder taps for 1 minute. You'll alternate between 2 workouts throughout the week, total body push and total body pull days. For push days, perform exercises in this order. Paused goblet squats holding longer at the bottom with each rep, building from 1 to 8 to 10 seconds. Single arm push presses, explosive upward movement with slow lowering. Alternating dumbbell bench press, pressing one arm while keeping the other extended. Half kneeling windmills, rotating while holding weight overhead. And north-south planks, moving dumbbell forward and back while maintaining plank position. For pull days, execute split stance Romanian deadlifts, single leg focus with kettlebell. Front rack reverse lunges, holding weight at shoulder while lunging, bent over single arm dumbbell rows, explosive single arm snatches, half kneeling palette presses with resistance band, and single arm kettlebell swings. Complete each exercise for the specified reps, typically 6 to 10, perform 3 sets of each movement, and rest 90 seconds between sets. Each exercise targets specific core functions like bracing, rotation, and anti-extension, while the unilateral nature forces your deep stabilizing muscles to work harder, dramatically increasing calorie burn and building functional core strength that transfers to daily activities.